accidentally stab your wife 123 times after taking some cough syrup? No? Well, that's exactly what this man did. Lauren Hugelmeyer was only 29 years old when she was stabbed to death. She met Matthew Phelps early on in life on a trip with her family, who were very religious. However, they didn't reconnect until their 20s. The pair dated long distance for a little while before Matthew went and moved to North Carolina to be closer to Lauren. Also to note, Lauren was super close with her dad, Dale, and for some reason, Dale just really did not like Matthew. Randomly one day when Matthew was over at Lauren's family's house for a board game, he dropped the news that he'd actually had a failed marriage prior, which some could claim is perfectly normal. However, mind you, they were in their early 20s at this point, and also why mention it at a board game with her family? Why not mention it early on while they were dating? It just didn't make sense.